know where to start. Just hold on and don't run. No, we're looking back, we messed around, but that was then, and this is now. All we need's enough love to hold us where we are.
Hello everyone, welcome to my video. Today I'll be sharing you 5 household chores that I usually do and every day. And I will also tell you how many times I do them and the benefits they give to my physical health. So let's get started. 1. Sweeping the floor. I sweep the floor 3 times a day, in the morning, in the afternoon, and night. Benefit: it helps exercise my arms and legs, and it warms up my body like light cardio.
Hanggang sa dulo ng mundo, hanggang maubos ang ubo, hanggang bumulong ang luha.
2. Washing the dishes. I wash the dishes 3 times a day after every meal. Benefit: it improves hand coordination and strengthens the muscles in my arms. 3rd is cooking. I cook 2 times a day, usually lunch and dinner. Benefit: it reduces stress and improves my posture because of standing and moving around in the kitchen.
I haven't seen you in a long time. You got me feeling so lonely.
Fourth, making the bed. I make my bed once a day every morning after waking up. Benefit: it helps my body become active in the morning and stretches my back and arms. 5th, if folding clothes. I fold clothes every night once a week before going to sleep. Benefit: it helps improve posture while sitting, keeps my hands active, and reduces stress by staying organized. So those are the 5 household chores that I usually do. Physical health. Not only does it keep the house clean, but it also helps keep my body healthy. Thank you for watching.